Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use Red Key Anime Vanguard. We will begin by defining what the Red Key represents in your game. It is a vital resource that unlocks powerful abilities and strategic plays. Understanding its core function and how it integrates into your overall strategy is the first step towards mastering its use. This guide will help you navigate its complexities and leverage its full potential. Generating Red Key effectively is key to maintaining momentum. Many cards and game actions allow you to accumulate this resource, often providing 1 or 2 tokens per activation. Focus on plays that build your Red Key count steadily, especially during the early to mid-game phases. Remember to manage your Red Key carefully, ensuring you have enough for critical plays without wasting potential gains. Once you have accumulated Red Key, the next step is to utilize it strategically. This resource empowers your units, allowing them to activate devastating skills or special attacks. Consider the current game state and your opponent's board when deciding when to spend your Red Key. Often, combining a Red Key ability with another card's effect can create a powerful, game-changing turn, turning the tide in your favor. For advanced players, mastering Red Key involves more than just generation and spending. It includes anticipating your opponent's Red Key usage and preparing your own counterplays. Consider holding onto 1 or 2 Red Key tokens for a critical defensive ability or a powerful finisher in the late stages of the game. Flexibility is vital. Adapt your Red Key strategy as the match unfolds to secure your victory.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.